I'm here to warn you about Japan's crazy pizzas. Japan puts corn and mayonnaise on pizza. Dear Japan, Italy does not put corn on pizza. Actually, I don't know of any countries that put corn on pizza. But in Japan, mayonnaise and corn pizza is pretty common. So, I've never tried it, and I don't know why anyone would try corn and mayonnaise on pizza because there's so many better options. Even in Japan, there's tons of options. Great pizza. So, if you come to Japan and you're daring enough and stupid enough to waste your money on what is probably terrible pizza, you can do it. Come and get your mayonnaise and corn pizza.